Hello, this presentation is for 10th grade students who are exploring the mathematics courses that they get to choose from for their 11th and 12th grade years. There are 4 two-year IB math courses, and Southwest offers all of them. Those would be both standard level and higher level courses in applications and interpretation, and both standard and higher levels in analysis and approaches. The topics for each of these courses look the exact same, but within the topics there is variation. For instance, in the number and algebra topic, both applications and analysis courses contain lessons on exponentials and logarithms. They also both have sequences and series, but they differ in other parts. For instance, the applications course will have financial math such as amortization and annuities, but the analysis and approaches course will have deductive proofs and identities in that topic. Which student should take which course is completely up to the student and their families. Applications and interpretation are for those students who are interested in developing their mathematics that describe the world and solve practical real-world problems. They'll also be interested in using technology to explore mathematical models. The Analysis and Approaches course is for students who enjoy developing their mathematics to become fluent in the construction of mathematical arguments. They'll develop strong skills in mathematical thinking. They'll like working with real and abstract applications of those ideas, with and without technology. Students that take that course will be those that enjoy problem solving and generalization of the building blocks of mathematics. Exam problems will show that the focus of each course is slightly different. Here are the first problems on the sample exams for each course. The application courses problem contains real-world context about how students are using technology in their classrooms. Then, using technology, they can find the answers to these statistics questions that accompany the data table. The Analysis and Approaches question, unlike the one above, is a non-calculator problem. You can see that it lacks context. It's essentially a conditional probability puzzle. This is not to say that all the applications problems have context or that none of the analysis problems do, but these two problems do show a bit of the difference between how IB views the different courses. Once the students determine which course they'd like to take, they have to determine which level they would like to be in. There's a standard level where about 3/4 of our students go, and then there's a higher level for the other quarter. All 4 classes are 2 years long. The standard level has 120 hours of mathematical content over those 2 years, and the higher level has 210 hours. That means that the higher level course has 75% more math content during those 2 years. Both courses have 30 hours of what the IB calls the toolkit. Those are mathematical explorations that will be done in class like any other work. Eventually, they will be used to support students who will need to write their own 12 to 20 page paper on their own math exploration. If the students decide to take the end of course exams, their own math exploration will count as 20% of their overall IB exam grade. These exams will take place in May of their senior year. Standard level courses have exams that are taken over 2 days. On one afternoon, they'll take an hour-and-a-half exam, and the following morning, they'll take the other hour-and-a-half exam. Higher level exams are taken over 3 days. The first 2 exams are 2 hours each and are taken on an afternoon and the following morning. And the third exam, which is an hour long, will be taken about a week after that. Every 10th grade teacher will speak with each of their students in late winter or early spring to answer any questions and to recommend a course for their junior and senior years. If you'd like any more information before that happens, you can either contact your math teacher or go to IB's website, choose the diploma program, and then look for information for Group 5 Mathematics.